Shoutout po sa Panrakas family.
Yun, no? Oo. Oo.
Barangay Bangan.
Bangan. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yun. So, roll out na kami, guys. So, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 riders. Alright, guys. So we're heading to Tagaytay right now. The rest of the information I don't know yet. Actually, I just got invited by my friend Donald, yung naka Z400. So we were talking about going to Tagaytay. So after that, di ko pa alam. So this is just the first time that I'll be riding with this group. So aalamin pa natin later, guys. So chill lang muna kayo dyan. Okay. Sana okay ka lang, sir. Kasi naman yung rider nung aksidente ng motorcycle. Sana walang serious injuries. Ride safe lang tayo always, mga idol. We know naman na talagang aksidente, especially if you're riding two wheels, medyo, malapit. Pero may iwasan naman talaga. Unless, of course, hindi tayo may kasalanan or tayo yung binangga. Basta lagi lang tayo mag-iingat, and we have to follow, rules and regulations, especially mga traffic signs, guys. Always natin tandaan na if something happened to us, hindi lang tayo yung magsasuffer yung yung mga loved ones natin, our parents, brothers, sisters, kids. Kung masaktan tayo physically, mas masasaktan sila emotionally. So, yun lagi natin iisipin, at dapat lagi tayo nag-iingat. Kasi we have to do it, not just for ourselves, but for them, diba? We are in Silang na, guys. Malapit na kami sa Tagaytay. So, this is a chill ride lang talaga. So, I'm the sweeper or the tail end. In front of me is si Pops Donald. Shoutout sa'yo, sir. Ganda ng Z400 mo. So, sarap ng ganitong ride lang, guys. Chill lang, diba? Steady lang. No need naman para maghataw-hataw kami. We're just enjoying the ride, enjoying the view, enjoying our motorcycles. That's it. So, walang tae, content itong vlog na to. Kasi chill lang talaga kami. Alright, so malapit na kami sa Tagaytay mismo. So, I'm not sure if saan kami pupunta. Saan kami mag-stop once we reach Tagaytay. Uy, kambingan, no? Sarap. Shout out sa inyo, sir. Sana makakain ng kambing ulit. So, yun guys, stay tuned lang. Check natin kung saan kami pupunta maya. Touchdown, Tagaytay. Guys, we're turning right to Talisay. Ito yung maraming curves, sharp curves na daan going to the lake. Regroup muna kami rito, guys, just to make sure na no one is left behind. So this road, guys, Talisay po ba na to, this is very memorable for me. When my dad was still alive, we always, take this route kasi may mga restaurants dun sa skirt ng lake, and you could dine there. They're serving good, freshly catched na tawilis. Deep fry nila yon, and so it's very crunchy. And then meron pang isang fish dyan na favorite ng dad ko. It's called malipoto. I'm not sure if they're still allowing that to be catched and cooked. Pero sobrang sarap nun. So, alright, we're going down. What else could you ask for on a Sunday morning, guys? Riding your bike on this, perfect location, very good weather. Ano ba, 'di ba? And riding with, these great people. Chill lang talaga, chill lang kami. Just always remember, guys, ride within your skills. Yun lang yan. That's the key to safety. Huwag kang magpaka Valentino Rossi dito sa mga ganitong lugar or daan if you're not that great or good, diba? So just ride within your skills. That's very important. By the way, guys, I'll take this opportunity pala to shout out some peeps. Shout out to June Cepeda, kay Mark, Dave, Herman. Shout out sa'yo, Lods. And shout out sa lahat ng members ng United Espines Riders. Mabuhay kayong lahat, mga Lods, mga sirs.
Alright guys, so we are here at Fun Rockers. Fun Rockers, oh. Ano ba to, sir? Ano ba to? Batangas na to, di ba? Oh, Batangas City. So, part na ng Tanawan, no?
Pwede ka lang ng parte ng Tanawan. Ito yung artista natin kasama. Yun lang.
Ano, ma'am?
Barangay Tangan.
Banga? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Alright guys, so official members ng 6th Gear Club. Papakilala ko sa inyo, sir. Start tayo kay Sir James. Sir James, oh.
Ben. Apit. Roy. Lito. Donald. Sammy.
Sir!
Michelle.
Ha? Mitchell. Yun, oh. Ride safe.
Heading back to Manila na kami, guys. We didn't try crossing to other towns of Batangas kasi baka may mga checkpoints na. So shout out dun sa staff, owners ng Fun Rockers. Sulit yung food and solve kami, busog. Ganda nitong daan na to, guys. Ito yung daan na talagang pag nag-overshoot ka, shoot ka talaga doon sa bangin. So huwag ka mag-ala Valentino Rossi kasi baka masaktan ka or mandadamay ka pa ng ibang riders or ibang motorists. So, Mami nga pala, shout out to my wifey. Thank you for allowing me to ride today. See you later. Love you. Flex ko, guys, yung mga bikes na kasama sa ride na to. Si Pops Donald, Z400. Guwapo ng bike, oh. Diba? Yeah. So, yung in front of us is si Pops Roy. Ito, naka Kimco 550 Pogi, sir. Ganda. Shout out Pops Roy. And then in front of Pops Roy is what happened? Sila nagintuan. Yung van sudden stop. Talaga yung mga problema. Yung mga masyadong trigger happy sa brake pedals nila. So ito si Pops Lito is using Kawasaki versus Vulcan 650. And then si Pops Ben CB 650R, same bike kami. Shout out sa'yo, sir. Sorry kay Pops Lito. Vulcan 650 na Kawasaki. Pala yun. Hindi versus. So, try makahuli natin guys yun nandun sa harapan. I think ito yung naka NK400 eh. I forgot his name eh. Si Pops. Basta ganda ng NK400 mo sir. Shoutout sa'yo. And then si Pops Joel. Oops! Liliko pala tayo doon. Wow! Hindi ko alam. Lumampas din kami. Ito, si Pops na naka Harley. Yung nasa harapan ko. Pares kami lumampas na dalawa. We're here guys at Good Shepherd. We're gonna buy some pasalubong pala. Hindi pa akong lumampas. Ba yun? So, park muna tayo dito guys. Nahulog yung helmet. Look what happened. Nahulog siya dun sa bike. From the bike it fell to the ground. So nabali yung chin mount. Here. Here's what happened. So hindi na namin natuloy yung pagbablog natin. Anyway, marami pa naman tayong rides with 6 Gear Club. So I'll just end the video here guys. Thank you. Ride safe.